Governo Austrália pronto apoio Timor-Leste e a qualquer área, liu e a área de defesa.
Segunda-feira, primeiro-ministro Karela Sanana Gusmão halau encontro com o ministro do Desenvolvimento Internacional Pacífico no ministro Defesa e Indústria Austrália, Honorável Pat Conroy, e a gabinete Fronteira Marítima no Terrestre Palácio Governo dele. Chefe Governo Sanana Gusmão hateten idene visita dahulu ministro Defesa australiano, mas Timor-Leste no encontro se recolhia com o assunto cooperação na Austrália pronto apoio Timor-Leste, liu e a área nebe precisa liu a tu desenvolve.
Minister for Defense, Industry and Cooperation. We thank the Minister coming here. It is the first time we came, and we discussed a little bit about cooperation, many areas, and Australia is going to help us in few areas that we really need. We really need to develop the country and to strengthen our state. In social areas like education and health, in job creation, and in security of our nation, of our ocean. We talk about blue economy. We talk about Tulun being a center for biodiversity, and Australia, I have to thank Australia. They said we will continue to talk, we'll continue to explore. In what we need, they will help us. The principle of the government of Australia is they only will help in what we need. It is a very important principle that will strengthen our relationship and strengthen our friendship also. Thank you, Minister.
Enquanto o ministro do Desenvolvimento Internacional Pacífico, no ministro da Defesa e Indústria Austrália, Honorável Pat Conroy, governo Austrália hakar serviço hamotok ho Timor-Leste, onde hameti liutam parceria batempo naro, tamba Timor-Leste sai hanesan vizinho nebe basically hosira.
Third ministerial visit to Timor-Leste in a government that only has been in existence for about 18 months. So that is a sign of the affection and respect we have for the people of Timor-Leste, and that message that the Prime Minister conveyed that we act on your priorities is critical. Today we are announcing 35 million Australian dollars over 5 years for policing cooperation, $1.6 million to help with El Nino and drought relief for your rural areas, and $4 million to train your workers who are coming to Australia and support their families. We also discussed, as the Prime Minister indicated, defence cooperation to help your security. So the message from the Australian government is, as the Prime Minister said, we are here to turn up, act on your priorities, respect your sovereignty, and act in the spirit of friendship between our two countries. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Portanto, ia sorumalu entre ministro Conroy e o primeiro-ministro atu a força compromisso australiana para desenvolvimento econômico no humano Timor-Leste, segurança, preparação para desastre, inclui prioridade mobilidade trabalhador Na Austrália, na fatin sai nudar Timor-Leste ni parceiro de desenvolvimento no segurança botlio. Reportagem Efifânia de Carvalho, Televisão Timor-Post.
Janela informação ba emogoto. Atua tem informação atual dia kliu. Kita haluha. Haneham botão subscribe, like. Halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.